In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to easily hide and unhide apps on your iPhone. So let's long press this app to hide and tapping on require Face ID and selecting hide and require Face ID. And after verifying my Face ID, I'm just tapping on hide app and the specific app will be hidden. As you can see, the app is no more available on my home screen, also on my app library. Now let's see how to find hidden apps and how to unhide apps. To do that, go to your app library and in app library, open the hidden app folder and verify your Face ID. Once you successfully verified your Face ID, here the hidden app will be visible. Now just long press on the hidden app, tap on Do Require Face ID. After verifying your Face ID, the hidden app will be unhide. And now, to add the app again to your home screen, just long press on the app and tap on Add to Home Screen, and we can see the app again added to my home screen. Thanks for watching.